welcome back to my channel. It's Cerise here, and I got home today after work to a package on my doorstep from my lovely friend from Canada, JENEANNE, and it's a nice hefty box. So I kind of think I know what's in here because she did buy the Jeffree Star cosmetic brushes for me. What is my fringe doing? When they had the release not so long ago, but of course shipping is so expensive and things, so just had to wait a little bit for those. But I'm so grateful that she got them for me because I can't buy Morphe in New Zealand, so it's so crap. So I have them here, and I think it came in the Morphe box as well. So this is the stuff here. I've only opened it just so I could kind of hide my address, because low key, just, you know, if you want to send me presents, totally do it. It's this one. So I'm just going to move you a little bit closer so we can kind of see what's inside. So I am so super excited to see like what's in here. I'm like, yes, lots of tea. So, it seems like there's quite a lot in here. So, I've got a little letter to my favorite Kiwi from your favorite maple girl, and Hemi and John. Thanks, guys. I'm like, oh my god, this is so cute. Okay, what is this? Don't look at back of card until you read this. By this, I mean the inside. And then juicy squirts on the back. Yes, girl. Alright. I have nothing important to say except bon appetit. Also, one product in here contains 2 words I hate. Can you guess what it is? Answer is on the back of this card. Oh, juicy squirts. Right, I got you. Oh my god. Love JENEANNE. So JENEANNE is my, like, one of my best friends from Canada. We've never actually met. One day I'll meet you though. I'll meet you one day, girl. And she lives in Canada. We met on YouTube and we talk all the time, and I love her to bits, and she's amazing. You should go send her a follow at FreeTheTomatoes because, bitch, she deserves it. So it's my wee card there. Yes. I'm like, where can I put that? You can live there. Okay, so there's a lot in here. I don't even know where to kind of start. There's kind of like, move this like this, I guess. Okay, so here's some Maynard's Swedish berries. So I don't know what they are. I kind of want to try them and see what they're like. Is this the one that's got the squirts on it? Juicy squirts? It's Swedish, so I'm like, there's a lot in here, hunty. Oh my god. Okay, so there's our little like Swedish little moment there. So I think, hang on, move it all there so you can see the little hole. So the little Swedish bits. And then what are these? Maynard, same brand. Wine gums. Yum. Love me a good wine gum. I'm gonna actually try one of those. I'm like, do you guys want a video of me trying all this? Oh my god, it's huge. Wine gums here are literally so small. This is massive. Look. Oh, it's rock hard. So good. So good. Yeah, I'm gonna Maynard's must be a brand over there. Oh my god, I can't. Ew. I don't choose to eat too much. Okay, on to the next one. So, we have another bag of Maynards. These are fuzzy peaches and they do feel squishy. Oh, fat-free food. Yeah, so there's little fuzzy peach Maynards. And then we have Lay's ketchup chips. Yeah, got that. Ketchup flavored. Get real. Ooh, what the frick? Why do I love this? Also never had Lay's before. Amazing. Just tastes like a McDonald's cheeseburger. Okay. Okay. I doubt those. Thought those tasted. It was pretty yum. Kind of like, I kind of want to taste everything, but I don't want to open everything. Oh no. What are these? Cheesies. Little corn stacks. Oh my god. Okay, I'm just trying. This is a mukbang, guys. My god, yum. Oh my god, yum. Look at them. They're so big. Okay. I'm gonna have to try these now. Okay. Okay. Oh. That's good. I'm literally eating so much. Okay. Fuzzy peach. Oh. Yum. Oh, those are good. Those are good. Mayonnaise fuzzy peach. Yum. Okay. Alright. Oh, these Swedish raspberries. Swedish strawberries. Swedish berries. Yum. Cute. It's little. Why are the so much bitter there? Oh my god. Oh my god. That is literally such a chip. Oh. Crispy crunch. Maybe I won't open this because it's not like a bag of something. But it looks like a chocolate bar with some crunch in it. I don't know. Oh, wow, peanut butter. Kind of tastes like a Snickers or something. That's good. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. So you sent me the Glam Glow Volcanic Glow Moisturizer. Oh my god, that's so exciting. Yes, love me some Glam Glow. Oh my god, yes. I freaking love the moisturizer. The moisturizer is so good. Yes. I'm like, I thought there was makeup in here. I'm like so excited about all this food. Oh. And then my favorite, the Glam Glow Gravity Mud. I wish we could buy them in the small ones here, but we can only literally get them in the big ones that are like 120 bucks. So like I love the little ones. And then Mr. Big. I mean, this is a good candy day. I'm like, excited we opened it. It's like, oh, it looks like a picnic bar. Here we've got like picnic bars, or it looks like a poo. That's just like a picnic bar, honestly, like. I eat picnic bars in New Zealand, it's like a picnic bar. Right, it's like I have Rice Krispies now. Mr. Big, yes. Right. Here's the Jeffree Star brushes. Oh my god. Oh, exciting. I'm so excited about the food. I forgot about the bloody brushes. Alright. Here are the brushes here. Oh my god. It's so exciting. I've been so ready for these brushes to come out. And the cute little bag. I'm like, it's just so cute. Yes. Oh my god, she's repackaged these amazing. Because I did tell her to use them for a video of her own. I'm like, these are so pretty. I cannot wait to use them. I'm so excited. Yes, thank you, Jean, for buying them for me. Yes. Woo. So, them there. And then, oh, I'm so excited to use the sponges as well. All the different kinds of sponges. Yes. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Alright. And then there's just more food. Okay, so there's Swedish fish. Now, okay, so Swedish fish. Now, aren't they meant to be like aniseed or something? I don't know. I'm excited to try one. Oh, a little like green fish. Yummy. Oh. Sour Patch Kids, we do have them here. We do have Sour Patch Kids here. But all the other stuff we don't have. So I'm excited about that. And then, oh, Sour Cherry Blasters though, we don't have these. Let's see. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm just gonna have all these like bags of unopened, like all open lollies. Like, I love it, it's great. Oh, what is this? Oh. Oh, was it cherry flavour? Oh. Yeah, I think that's cherry flavour. I could not stand cherries. My name means cherry. I cannot stand cherries. Oh, still yum though. Oh, send me another coffee crisp. I personally don't like coffee, Janine, you know this. But I'm so grateful, like, thank you. I'm not going to try that one because my brother-in-law might like that. That's okay. Just because I don't like some things doesn't mean I'm not going to like it. Juicy Squirts. There we go. Juicy Squirts berries. And this feels very like squishy. Now this has all come all the way over the other side of the world to me from Canada. Oh no. This smells like it is cherry. What flavor's in here? Oh. Oh. I'm gonna get one that's not. Okay. This one looks like it's not a cherry flavor. Oh. It tastes like body soap. Like, yeah, the Maynard's Juicy Squirts. Janine, very nice, thank you. But wait, four more chips. Hickory sticks. Yep. Love it, love it. Little potato. Oh yeah, daddy. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Oh, these are good. Oh, hostess, that's Twinkies, isn't it? Running, yes, okay. Crunch. I've seen these like everywhere and I've always wanted to try them. I'm like, I think it's just plain milk chocolate. The amount of calories I'm consuming right now, they're just fun. I just felt like riceys in it. Yum, like that. Oh! Oh my god, a Wonder Bar. Peanut butter caramel experience. I've always seen Wonder Bars everywhere. I'm like, have you Wonder Bar? Nice. Oh my god. That's a lot. That one's good too. And then, oh, my favourite, salted caramel and a New York cheesecake. Kit Kat. Okay, go for salted caramel. Come on, baby. You want a treat cat? I am going to have no sweet tooth after this. I'm just saying. Yum. Now when I want any more, Lay's ketchup, tomato chips. McDonald's burger. I feel like what I'd want to do if I went to Canada is go to the movies and just get all these things and just sit there. Like, there's such cute little containers of all these things as well. I think that's what I really like about them. Like, it's cute wee containers where it's like easier to carry into a movie theatre. Like, here, I'm taking a big bit of Lowe's. I like a big block of chocolate or a big bag of chips. Like, each little bag is perfect. This little cookie sticks. Oh my god. So yum. But I can't help myself. This is my life. So great. Peach is my favourite. Peach is my favourite. Always. This didn't become a rating thing, but it's become a rating thing. This wasn't meant to be a rating thing. These mayonnaise are my favourite. Love a little Sour Patch. O's, love. Love. Meh. Berries, love. Mr. Big, love. Pretty much all of these like are just great. The only thing I don't really like is just the cherry games, but I'm still so thankful. This is awesome. This is like the best day of my life. Honestly, everyone. Alright, ending this so we can start ready together. Love you. But in all seriousness, thank you so much, Janine, for sending all this to me. Oh my god, I'm so grateful. Like, it's so amazing to try things from other countries. Like, it's actually insane. Like, I feel like if I lived in Canada, I would be obese. I would be so fat. Because all of this is just like just everything. Just all tastes so good. Like, I would eat this whole container in like literally like 2 seconds. Like, I'd be like, yeah, okay, it's eaten, it's done. It's fine. Like, I can't stop eating. I'm like, I can't even wrap this video up because I'm just like, it was a great time. But, oh, pardon me. But honestly, like, Janine, this means so much to me, and thank you so much for sending all these goodies to me. I'm like, I've already pretty much done a try of all the things. Like, it's just so bizarre. But yeah, I mean, honestly, like, I'm so thankful, and I hope you're having a lovely holiday at the moment. And everyone needs to go follow at FreeTheTomatoes. I know this isn't your normal kind of video, but I guess this is me unboxing and trying treats from Canada. I guess that's what this is, because yeah, I didn't know what was going to be in here, but unboxing treats stuff from Canada, little face glow and brushes. I love this, juicy squirts, great time. But honestly, thank you so much, Janine. I'm so happy, and thank you for making me even more fatter. I love you so much, and I love all you guys as well for watching. Bye. Oh, also, Janine, now it's your turn. Like, now I'm gonna send some shit to you, and you better be bloody ready for my giant freaking bags of food. Like, these are all cute and little, and you can send a lot, but I feel like I would just be like, here's 3 bags because it fills up a box for $100. But anyway, I'm gonna go stuff my face, and I'll see you on the next one. Oh, hang on. Has anyone tried any of this stuff before? And if you're in New Zealand, where can you find it? Because I need it for my life. Alright. Bye bye.